Everyone's like, come on, man, Jesus.
Hi, stop it, you. Stop it.
Stop it, stop. Stop it. That's what you say the first time you see someone do that. There's no video necessary for this. Someone goes, hey, what's going on? In a big crowd. Stop it. Stop. What the fuck?
Come here. What do you think you're up to? You've probably infected thousands of people already. What do you think this is for?
I'm going to jam it right up your ass for being such a stupid, inconsiderate piece of shit.
Close your eyes